Dante Via is a software product from Audinate. Dante Via is a software from Audinate that runs on your Mac or Windows PC that is quite different from Dante Virtual Sound Card. Dante Via allows you to put any connected audio device on the Dante network. This feature, Dante enables your non-networked audio products, so your investments in USB, Firewire, and Thunderbolt devices can continue to bring value in new environments and settings. Dante Via also allows you to connect any locally running audio application to the Dante network. Different from Dante Virtual Sound Card, Dante Via exposes channels of audio applications by name. It also exposes many audio applications to the Dante network at once, easily. Total number of channels shown by Dante Via will thus vary depending on what devices and applications are Dante enabled. It shrinks and grows to fit what you are doing. Finally, Dante Via allows you to create novel internal audio routes between devices and applications on your computer using a simple drag-and-drop interface. To do this, simply drag any device or application to a destination to make a connection. Then, send audio from one application to another. Create mixes on the fly by combining audio from multiple sources by simply dragging them to a destination and choose Add. While Dante Via is similar in some ways to Dante Virtual Sound Card, the two applications cannot run at the same time on a single computer. They are mutually exclusive. They may each be installed but may only be used one at a time. Both Dante Via and Dante Virtual Sound Card will prevent each other from running if launched at the same time. Dante Via can act as a clock master, and so, unlike Dante Virtual Sound Card, it does not require a Dante hardware device on the network in order to function. This permits the creation of Dante Via only network comprised of only computers and software. Dante Via may be used to provide a master clock to Dante Virtual Sound Card when running on a different computer on the same network. Here's a demonstration on how to Dante enable a USB. Here we've plugged a USB into this computer. When we open Dante Via and start it, we see that the USB is automatically discovered. Like Dante Networks, Dante Via automatically discovers any connected audio device or running application that are audio capable. Note that each discovered device has a checkbox to enable Dante. Check this box. On a second computer on the network running Dante Via, the USB input-output automatically appears. In Dante Controller, the USB input-output is represented as labeled channels of the computer hostname. On a second computer, drag the discovered USB I/O to a destination of your choice. That's it. The route is made. We can also use Dante Controller to route audio from the USB mic to any destination on the network. Here's another demonstration. Let's Dante enable an application. Now we've started running iTunes. Like most consumer audio applications, iTunes does not permit you to select a sound card. No problem for Dante Via. We check Enable Dante for iTunes, and it now appears in Dante Controller exactly like the USB mic did in the previous example. You can use this feature to create labeled channels for different audio applications all running at once. Now we can use Dante Controller to send our iTunes audio to destinations on the Dante network. One last demonstration. Monitoring Dante channels. Since we can make any audio hardware part of our Dante network, we can also make our headphone jack part of the network. We may then use headphones plugged into a laptop to monitor any Dante channel on the network. Simply enable Dante for built-in output. This device now appears as receiving channels on our computer on the Dante network. Open Dante Controller and send any Dante channel to these receiver channels to hear the audio in your headphones without disturbing any routes. Take note that Dante Via runs only at 48 kHz and 24-bit depth, and performs sample rate conversion to ensure that the many different sources and destinations can successfully connect.